I recognized quite a few scientifically proven nutrients on the list from various formulations I worked on over the years, but never imagined the impact they could have on deep sleep when taken all at the same time. Some of them included 10 milligrams of the purest grade, naturally sourced melatonin available, which is proven to help you get to sleep faster and increase the duration of your deep sleep. 150 milligrams of a rare East Indian ashwagandha plant, which is proven to decrease stress, cortisol, and anxiety while promoting a relaxed state conducive for increasing quality deep sleep. 100 milligrams of the natural amino acid hydroxytryptophan, a specific form of which is proven to enhance the effects of melatonin and to improve the quality and duration of deep sleep. 200 milligrams L-theanine, a powerful phytonutrient that has been used by the Japanese for centuries and is proven to put you in a relaxed state, reduce anxiety and resting heart rate, and produce longer, more restful sleep while significantly increasing the overall duration of deep sleep. 50 milligrams of magnesium along with 15 milligrams of zinc, which, when taken together with the other nutrients, is proven to significantly improve quality of deep sleep, ease of getting to sleep, and morning alertness upon waking. And lastly, the two breakthrough nutrients that supercharge everything: 1,200 milligrams of arginine and 1,200 milligrams of lysine, two natural amino acids that when combined is proven to increase the amount of age-defying human growth hormone that is released during deep sleep up to 695%. In the end, it was a completely unique list of 100% natural ingredients that work perfectly together to significantly enhance our deep sleep and the metabolic regeneration we experience when in it, and in turn, immediately start to reverse all of the terrible problems I'd been experiencing from shallow sleep syndrome. I took everything together an hour before bed exactly as instructed, and I put on my deep sleep tracking device. I'll admit, I was a little skeptical. Yet after the very first night, I was amazed. I fell asleep easily and woke up feeling alive, vibrant, and full of energy, and full of hope for the very first time in a long time. I felt sharper. I felt lighter. And not only did I feel lighter, I actually was lighter. 2 pounds to be exact. 2 pounds had disappeared overnight. And over the next few days, I kept noticing bigger differences in the way I looked and felt. My belly was flatter. My pants were looser. I was looking younger.